Hello students, welcome to Meet Maths classes. Your question is, find the domain of fx. Your fx is defined as square root of log tan inverse x minus 1 with base pi by 4 minus 1. Now, to find the domain of a function, you have to find all values of x for which your fx is defined. So, if you are going to, you can read your function, your fx is defined for all x such that, सबसे पहले स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर जो भी एक्सप्रेशन है दैट शुड बी पॉजिटिव. सो लॉग tan इनवर्स x minus 1 minus 1 with base pi by 4, that should be positive. Secondly, we know that the log function is defined only for strictly greater than 0 numbers. So, तो जो log का input है that should be strictly greater than 0. Since the domain of आप इसका रीजन दे सकते हैं, since the domain of log x function is strictly greater than 0. Okay, तो आपका जो ये log का डोमेन है that should be strictly greater than 0. We should aware of the logarithmic function first. This will implies that log tan inverse of x minus 1 with base pi by 4 should be greater than equals to 1, and this tan inverse of x minus 1 should be strictly greater than 0. Now, what is the numerical value of pi by 4? Pi is 3.14 and 3.14 divided by 4 is less than 1. Since अब देखो आपका जो log का फंक्शन होता है log x with base a where a is strictly less than 1, जो आपका log का फंक्शन होता है वो कैसा होता है, that is an decreasing function. Log of something with base a where a is strictly less than 1 is a decreasing function. ठीक है, तो आप क्या करेंगे, we know that, और आपको एक और प्रॉपर्टी पता होनी चाहिए कि log x with base a is equals to y, then x is equals to a raised to power y. So we are going to apply these two things. Log of something is with base a is greater than equals to 1. So we know that tan of x minus 1 is should be greater than equals to pi by 4 raised to power 1. But क्योंकि आपका ये जो बेस है that is less than 1 and in the when base is less than 1 your graph is a decreasing function. तो अगर आपका function decreasing function है then inequality will change. So it will become less than equals to. So tan inverse of x minus 1 should be less than equals to pi by 4 and tan inverse of x minus 1 should be strictly greater than 0. So we can combine these two inequalities, that tan inverse of x minus 1 should be less than equals to pi by 4 and strictly greater than 0. Now if we take tan in this, then tan 0 is 0, tan of tan inverse x minus 1 will give you x minus 1 and tan pi by 4 is 1. And now if we add 1 all together, then it will give you 1 is less than x is less than equals to 2. So the domain of your function, so the domain of f will be 1 to 2, where 2 is excluded and 2 is included.